So with this one, I want to move to the next question, and this one is about everybody needs to make difficult decisions in a business or in a corporate industry. We all the time make difficult decisions, and we have to make a decision being a leader or being a CEO. So I want to hear about your thought process, and I think it will be very valuable for all the viewers as well too. How do you make a difficult decision? What are the key factors do you consider to make a difficult decision?
Okay, thank you. You know that based on the structure of the company, you are the small companies, middle company, or corporate company. So in my company, we had a CEO, COO, and another team below us. So we very careful and very straight way to delegate the power to our employee to make on some the proper way of the make the decision. And in case we see difficult, need to make the difficult decisions, the first thing I should I choose discuss with my COO, see the CEO of the company, and see how had a good background on the human resource on the finance. We need to discuss the decision, how to make decision to make us the balance and feel comfortable and feel believe on us. So all smart our decision we come from 3 points. The first point that we can protect and employee our team. The second point we can protect the customer, and the third point we can protect the investor. So on the because we are the business, we need to regard to the 6 ecosystem. So that to make sure all the partner with you that not affect their brand name, we can protect them. So any decision when we pay only the pressure, we can move forward and to make the decision on the proper way.
Thank you, Yung, for sharing in this one. So hello viewers, if you are considering to have a process to find a difficult decisions and make it proper decision, difficult decisions. So these are the key takeaway from Miss Yung sharing. So number one is about understand your ground, what you're really doing, what's your role into that decisions. Number two is about have a proper delegation level for the futures, but because the difficult decision you are making today, you will make another difficult decision too. So you need to build a system around you, and having a proper delegation level is an incredible way to deal with that. And Miss Yung does that. Number three is about take inputs from the right peoples. So Miss Yung is taking input from her CEO. So you need to have right inputs. You don't think that I'm going to be blocked in a box and I just want to make a difficult decision myself. Basically, that's not the way it's going to work. So you need to take the input from the right people. And the right people is so important that most of the people make a lot of wrong decisions because they don't take the input from the right people. The wrong people for that difficult decision will give you a wrong input. So that's the number 4. And then the next one is she mentioned about she cared about how this decision will reflect to the customer. This is another key factor. The next factor she about how this difficult decision will reflect on the investor because they are the stakeholder of the company. And the last one is about she mentioned a little bit about she think about can we create a win-win situations between all the parties. It doesn't have to be win-lose. So thank you, Yung, for sharing those value. I think that's the last one. The win-wins was a really incredible one. And I think most of the people always continuously forgot about to win somebody to lose. To lose somebody need to win. It doesn't have to be that way. And every win and every win doesn't have to be translated in the same manner. You have a different perspective as well too. So thank you for sharing on that one.